Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to install Python version 3.13 and VS Code right from the Microsoft Store. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we are going to search for the Microsoft Store. And once we find that, we'll open it. Okay, and once that loads up, we'll search for Python. And you see we have version 3.11, 3.12, 3.9, 3.10. If we scroll on down, you'll see Python 3.13, which is the most recent at the time of this recording. I'm going to click install, and that's going to go ahead and install. Okay, so we got this message, Python 3.13 just installed. Check it out. Click here to launch, and that's going to open up a command prompt here right into the Python REPL. We can print something like hello world and then run it, and we get hello world. If we want to exit out of this, we'll just type exit with 2 parentheses after that and hit enter. Okay, so now what we want to do is get VS Code. So I'm going to search for VS Code, and what'll come up is Visual Studio Code. You can also get the Insider's Edition. Let's click on that, and let's go ahead and install it. All right, it says it's installed. We can close out the Microsoft Store now and start to type Visual, and then you'll see Visual Studio Code will open up. So you can click to open. I like to pin the icon right here to the taskbar for easy access, and then go through this. I'm going to mark done, and let's get started and make a Python program. So I'm going to open up the sidebar here and click to open a folder. Go to my desktop. Let's create a new folder. Let's call it Python_programs. You can call it whatever you want, of course. I'm going to select the folder. VS Code is going to ask me if I trust the authors. I'm going to say yes. And now let's create a program called hello.py. So hello.py, okay, for Python. Once you create a program with the .py extension, it's going to ask you, do you want to install the recommended Python extension from Microsoft for the Python language? I'm going to click install. And it's going to install this extension from Microsoft that's includes various different things. I'm going to just close this out now. If it doesn't install, you can go to your extensions here, and you can search for Python. And if you do that, this Microsoft extension is going to come up. So you want the one from Microsoft. You can see it's installed here, and that's all you need to do. Okay, so make this a little bit larger for you. Close out the sidebar. Let's create a Python program. So we're going to do print, and we'll do hello world. So we'll do hello world, and then we can run this Python file with the play button here. So we'll click to run, and there we go. You see hello world runs in the terminal down below. That's all there is to it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.